Next, I'm going to change the oil. So let's put on some safety gloves. Safety gloves, and I believe this is 12 millimeters at the bottom here, the nut here. Grab my oil drain pan. It's from Mr. DIY, right? Because in the past I used to cut up a detergent bottle, but I used that bottle for 10 years. So lefty loosey, left, anti-clockwise. And this one must be a bit careful. So it might drop out. Maybe I want to try and give you guys a better angle. Right, so just spin it out. I think there was saw a video, there was a trick. You press it in or you open it. See, I press it in. Then when you faster pull, come out. I'm gonna slowly remove. Not bad, it works. It works. The oil coming out very dark. Very dark. Inspect the gasket. Gasket still decent. But yeah, this oil kind of quality that's coming out, I'm not happy about it. It's too dark. I mean, it's just too dark. There's a burnt oil smell as well. So this is 5,300 km. So those guys who are wondering, hey, I can change my oil manual, said like 10,000 or 12,000. Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright, so we're gonna move fast. I'm gonna go on the other side and remove the oil filter, DCT oil filter. So next we'll be changing the DCT oil filter, which is located here. For such jobs, I like to use a close wrench like this. Don't use this type, use this. Okay. Lefty loosey. Same thing here. Lefty loosey. Slowly. And more second. You put in a section. You won't drop. It's okay. Yeah. Telling you guys, right? The oil tend to leak inside there. The trusty pliers, or make sure there's a O-ring here. There's an O-ring on the cover here, right? Take out the spring here. I was a bit curious. Actually, I never use motor oil, but the oil is a bit on a red color. Maybe from the leftover previously. Ooh! To show you guys the oil filter. It looked like it took a plunge. Okay, so this is how it looks on the inside. Don't know if you guys can see. I think nothing much needed to clean the inside. I don't want to clean the inside. You know what? Just gonna do it. Give a good wipe down. There we go. Okay. This is the new original filter. And then the inside, there's a nipple, just press it in, it holds there, followed by the spring. I put everything back in order. This one, guys, must be very careful. There is a way to put back. It looks the same, but it's not the same. So for me, I assume since the top here is dry, I assume it's this way. Check whether it aligns. This one so far aligned. This way, actually Cannot put back wrongly lah, because this bracket here will be blocking. Okay. And just like. So what I like to do as well, and many shops do practice this, so in case you guys are DIYing alone at home, just I like to give the bike a little tilt to get all the oil out as much as you can, because this might pollute the oil. You see, right? Quite a good amount coming out. So one time is good enough lah. On the left side, it's good enough. Alright, so I like to put a strong magnet from Deso. I like to put it on the oil filter. Maybe, perhaps can simultaneously work. Right, so I'm gonna simultaneously work while draining the oil. Gonna attempt to take out the oil filter. Hand tight all the time, guys. So next time when you change the oil filter, right, the oil filter here is gonna be really easy. Oil filter comes out looking really nice. The oil that's coming out, you can see through. Alright. So currently I'm using this brand from Atlas Singapore. It's not 100% the same as original, but still decently able to use. The reason why I say it's not 100%, the spring inside is actually exposed. Original one is enclosed. I think that's the, and the O-ring is a bit different. So I like to pre-fill my filter. Actually, last time, it's a habit because pre-filling your filter let your engine not start dry. So I'll pour it a single time and I will not pour too much. I know you guys can pour full, but it depends on how your filter go in. So, alright, here I'm going to almost stop dripping. Let's wipe it up a little bit. Okay, give it a good spin. Now it's finger tight, right? Let's teach you guys. Finger tight first. First, you guys finger tight the filter. Okay. Then what you can do is push it aside, right? Get a good grip, and you can do a bit slippery. You can do hand tight. Hand tight is fine. Just don't use tools. Right, so. Okay, so I think I squeeze in another quarter turn, and then you have this. Inspect the crusher. Inspect the crusher. Hand tight. Hand tight. Hand tight. 12 mm. What I like to do, just tight by the finger already, right? And you give a bit of shock, little bit. So it's like 1, 2. Okay, done. Right, not too tight. Give it clean a little bit. Right. Okay. Final step, guys. Just top up depth to fill up the oil. So I get one of these funnels. So always make sure it's clean before you put it there. Funnel, clean the dipstick, right? Then inspect the O-ring, all good. There. This is the oil I'll be using, the Shell Advance that I got from the bike show. So this is about 400 ml that's left. So hoping I don't have to use 3.5 doing this change. Not sit, actually can sit on. Maybe cannot. It's okay. There you go. Every single one to manually pierce. Bottle number 2. The bottle standing. Bottle 2. Bottle 3. Don't worry guys, this oil I send it for proper disposal at the bike shop. See, ask nicely, they will let you throw one. So this is the next oil. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is last bottle after this. Read up. And the finale bottle. Right. So make sure after this, don't forget to start the bike, because the oil filter now is semi-empty, right? You on the bike, let the pressure build up, switch it off, and you can check after a couple of minutes. Don't have to make it fully warm up, just let the oil filter fill up for those who has that. No oil filter, never mind, or small, those cartridge type like kapcai, you don't need to warm up to check. Big bike like this you need, because it will drop about 200-300 ml. This oil, golden, come out red, probably like I said, from the leftover. This is how the dirty filter looks. I believe this is probably about my second. Usually I change second oil change, but in the future I plan to change it 3 times. Don't know I can show you guys or not. So before starting the bike, oil level already full. Over is about here. So I'll start the bike a while. Don't know if you guys can hear a different noise when the oil filter was running kind of dry. Not so bad, okay. Shit off. Let the oil settle a bit. Let's check the oil level now. Can you see? It's just 1 cm from the stick, so it could give you a false reading that is actually overfilled, but actually you see it's more of a 1/3 of the stick. So this bike, die must use 3.5. So previously I used 3.6, kind of overfilled. So 3.5 will be just nice. See, okay, now settle a bit longer. Almost half. Still decent. Actually 3.5 3.5 lah, don't play around. Stop out 3.5. So guys, this is it guys. Thank you so much for joining me, for watching the videos and supporting me. Thank you so much.